Hi everyone, Zori Mori here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I'm really happy to see you again. And if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel so I can see you again. But yeah, today's video I'm going to be unboxing my favorite walking shoes. These are flat shoes that also happen to look really cute. These are brands that I've used before. I've worn them for years. I'm just getting some new fresh pairs for spring, and I decided I want to put this video out there because it's very hard for women to find comfortable, good-looking shoes. I don't know why that is, but it drives me crazy. I buy shoes, I walk 3 blocks, and I have blisters. Unacceptable. And the other scenarios is I have to buy shoes that don't look that good with the rest of my clothes just to get the comfort I need. So after experimenting with a lot of brands, these are the two that I love, Birdies and Allbirds. These flats I've worn for years now. I've packed with me while traveling. I wear them here in San Francisco on a day-to-day basis, so I feel really comfortable recommending them to you, and I hope you really love it. Okay, so here are the goodies. I have 3 different pairs. They are all different designs. I have an elegant look, I have a casual look, and I have a sneaker. So first, I'm gonna start with Birdies, which is my really elegant loafer comfy flat. Here it is, very classically shaped, super cute. Like if I go close here, you can see the signature. This is always very hard. And the signature quilting inside. The shoe has 7 layers here in the insole. There is a shock absorbent layer. There is a support layer. There is a memory foam layer. Many layers. And I can tell you, it is really comfortable right off the bat. You don't need to do any breaking into these shoes, which it's quite rare for a leather shoe. I had, and I still have, other leather loafers that I really love the look, but they always cause me pain here at the back when I walk for too long. And this never does. I have like a leopard color, and I have a pink pair. So I'm really excited about these brown, timeless loafers. Super comfortable. No surprise, it's a woman-made company. These 2 moms who wanted to come up with like a very comfortable and chic home slipper. So it started as a home slipper, but they quickly realized that there is a demand on the market for a shoe that you can take outside, and I'm really grateful that they did it. Highly recommended. Love it. Birdies. So moving to the more casual sporty flat that I love, it's the Tree Breezer by Allbirds. And both the Tree Breezer and the Wool Runner that I'm gonna show you, they're both by Allbirds, and they are part of their Spring Blossoms collection, which is colors inspired by the spring, which is more of pastel tones. Happen to be my favorite. The color of these is called Poppy, and as you can guess, they're orange like the poppy seed flowers. Here they are, a more casual silhouette. Like you can do a side-by-side for you guys. This is the Birdies, very elegant, and this is the Allbirds. Super cute, very light, which I appreciate. Have that very cushy Allbirds insole. They are made out of 3 fiber. One thing, if you're not familiar with Allbirds, they are really committed to sustainability. They constantly develop materials that are renewable, sustainable, good for the planet. And this is something that the fashion industry definitely needs more of. So when you're buying the shoes from Allbirds, you know that you're investing in someone who cares and who is going to continue to try to develop new cool materials for their future products. So I'm really excited to see what comes next from them. But let me show you, they have like a nice texture, like little dimples. I find that these flats match a lot of my, like if I wear like a jeans and a sweater or a lot of my dresses, super great. You can probably fold them like this in your bag. They're very light, as I said. Love them. And the other flat is the sporty design, which is the Wool Runners by Allbirds. Wool Runners are the first shoes I got from Allbirds, and I instantly fell in love. Like, the design is very minimalist and it's very chic. And this is probably my favorite color from the three. It's called Malibu Cream, and it's the color of a cherry blossom here. Ah, they're so pretty. By the way, this design is unisex and it comes in men and women sizings. So I got this pink color, the cream Malibu, for me and for Henry as well. We can have matching outfits. The laces are made out of recycled plastic bottles. The wool is from New Zealand. They only use happy sheep. You should really go to the Allbirds website. I really love all the stories they share there. But basically, sheep outnumber humans in New Zealand 6-to-1, and you know, they need a trim every now and then. The Allbirds have like all sorts of certificates in the ways they source their materials. I'm really happy that they are getting more popular around the world. It's a really feel-good shoe to wear, but also their cause and the way they see the world is worthy of your dollar. Alright, this is it. These are my favorite comfortable shoes that are flat, that are cute, and that you should know about. At least that's what I think. If you have a favorite already, or if you know of a brand that I did not mention, please leave it in the comments below. Consider subscribing to this channel so I can continue making videos like this. It will mean the world to me. Also, if you happen to be on Instagram, slide into my DMs and say hi. I'll be happy. See you next time, guys. Bye.